So this course has been quite a useful contribution to the field of rheumatology education. I would say that because it is open to medical workers in all specialties and especially general practitioners, and it enables them to get a good understanding of rheumatic and musculoskeletal diseases, both from the modules as well as the hands-on contact program. With regard to individuals considering taking up this course, I would say it's a wonderful exposure to a wide variety of rheumatic diseases in a short time, considering that many of you who are working and practicing are not able to just take off for weeks or months together to do special training in this field. This few days is meant to open your eyes, so to speak, and enlarge your vista. Someone said, the eye can see only what the mind knows, or you could even say, what the eye does not know, the mind. With regard to individuals who are considering taking this course, I would say this is a wonderful way to get an exposure in a short time to many rheumatic conditions, especially on the hands-on course. First, you have been exposed to the online course, and then you come here and see these same conditions that you've been reading about, and that gives you tremendous confidence in examining patients, because you're taught how to examine patients, you're taught various conditions and how to manage the complications of these conditions. So by and large, I would say that this is a wonderful chance to learn much in a very short time. Thank you very much.